This next video is for you guys who took home homework task number 2, challenge number 2, and that is dividing by a 2-digit number. So a little step up from dividing by 1 digit, but there's only one added step really, and we'll do that right at the beginning, and that is writing out the times table for our 2-digit number. Just keep things really simple. So let's go ahead and write out our 14 times table. So 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more, 126. Now remember, we only write out 9 of our 14 times table because the answer to any of our columns when we do our bus stop can only be 9. It's the maximum number we can have in a base 10 column. So let's draw up our bus stop and let's get cracking with the calculation. And just remember, we've already done virtually all the thinking that we're going to have to do over here. So how many 14s go into 2? Obviously it's none. So we'll put a 0 there. And we'll take this 2 and put it here. So how many 14s go into 21? We can look over here. 1 14 here, 2 4. Well, this is bigger than 21, so only one lots of 14 will go in. Now, if you're struggling to work out the difference between 21 and 14, just do a little column calculation. That's 7, so we have a remainder of 7. How many 14s go into 79? Well, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we go to 6, it's too big, so it's 5. With the remainder, set the difference between 79 and 70, obviously 9. How many 14s into 91? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the remainder of 7. Now, obviously, if you want to do column calculations to work these out, you can. That's absolutely fine. Just take your time with it and make sure you're getting things right. And lastly, how many 14s into 70? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just remember that when we get to this point here, we must put a decimal point if we've got a remainder, because we don't want to write R anything. We're not writing remainders like that. We're writing remainders as decimals. And in order to do so, we put our decimal points in and we carry on until we no longer have a remainder, and then we have our decimal answer. Okay, hope that helps you all out.